guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So for today's video, I have created this makeup look for Christmas. This time I went in with a darker lip color, and for my eyes I have kept it a little simple, although you can see that glitter on my eyes because ग्लिटर के बिना क्रिसमस मेकअप लुक जो है थोड़ा सा अधूरा लगता है. So this is the look that I have created today. It is very simple, but I think it's really nice. At least I think so. So I really hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial. So before moving on to the tutorial, guys, I have a special hack for you all on how to get products for almost free on Trell. Trell has launched a special program called Trell Cash, where you will be getting interesting challenges, and on completing it you will be getting Trell Cash, and one Trell Cash equals to 1 rupee. So you can complete your challenges and redeem the Trell Cash for your shopping. So guys, these products that you see, I got it for almost free from Trell. So the products are Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Then we have Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This one is in the shade Rose Gold Molten. Then we have Maybelline's Creamy Matte Lipstick. This one is in the shade Burgundy Blush. This is the color that I'm wearing right now. Then we have Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lipstick in the shade 11 Made Easy. And then we have this concealer. This is again Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This one is in the shade 130 Medium. Out of all the products that I have over here, except this one, which is Maybelline's liquid lipstick, I have used all these products today for creating this look. Over this, if you use my coupon code while checkout, you will get extra discount. So don't wait, guys, go and get your products for free from India's favorite short video and e-commerce app, Trell. So guys, download the Trell app now, as they have various offers going on, and I will be leaving all the links in the info bar, so do not worry about that. And now, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. I'm going to start off by spraying Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It's quite hydrating. So now let's go in with foundation. This is Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in the shade 310. This is their Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. It has SPF 22 in it, and it is for normal to oily skin. So the packaging is extremely cute and travel friendly. Guys, with this foundation I will be mixing my MAC Strobe cream. This one is in the shade Gold Light. This foundation is looking pretty good, guys. For concealer, I will be applying Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This one is in the shade 130 Medium. Before moving on to setting this concealer, I am going to apply today my liquid blush. So this is She Glam's liquid blush, color Bloom liquid blush. Okay, so this one is in the shade Love Cake, and this one is in the shade Rose Ritual. So I think I'm going to apply both these shades. So this one is Love Cake, the first one, and the other one is Rose Ritual. Just going to start blending. Now I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. For highlighter, I will be going in with Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This one is in the shade Rose Gold Molten. It's like a really pretty shade. So guys, I'm again going to spray some of my Smashbox primer water. And you guys know the drill. I'm going to finish one set of my eye makeup and I'll see you guys very soon. For eye makeup, I'm going to start off with applying my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And a little bit on my lower lash line. Going in with my eyeliner, this is my ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Swerve. On the edges, I will be going in with my Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Volume. I'm going to apply it on my inner corner and just fill in this area. Applying my ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Charmer on my waterline. For mascara, I am going in with my Maybelline's The Falsies Lash Lift. So for lip color, I have these two options, guys. So both these lipsticks are from the brand Maybelline. This one is their Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Burgundy Blush. And this is their Sensation Liquid lipstick in the shade Made Easy. I will be going in actually with this color, which is Burgundy Blush. It's apt for Christmas time. So yeah, I'm going to apply this gorgeous lip color. First, I will be filling in my lips with NYX lip liner. This one is in the shade Cherry Skies. Now I'm going to go in with Burgundy Blush. To finish off, I will be spraying my MAC Fix Plus. This one is in the variant Rose.